Hi guys, Dave at West Yorkshire Horse Boxers here, and here we have a Peugeot Boxer 66 plate with a stallion layout. It's a 4.5 tonne of this, giving 1.8 payload. As you can see there, really heavy duty petition. It's got the roof vent in it, CCTV, loop latch door, LED lighting, seat strength and then petitions, window protection bars, bonded windows, aluminium heavy duty ramp. This customer's gone for the barn door configuration, as you can see. And in the back she's opted for a sink and hob, as you can see there. She's opted for a fridge on that side with the saddle racks and the bridle hooks up there, a bed infill which obviously comes out, so you've got a seat on that side and also a mirror one on that side. You can see the locking points of the doors there into the stallion area, all the stainless steel fastenings. Got the other saddle pole on this wall here. This has obviously got a leisure battery on it. See the stylish back end there with the top LED light, stop tailing indicator. Obviously it's got a gas door there, it's part of the regulations. Everything's certified as well with gas engineer. So I say we've been building these for nearly 30 years now. Time flies. It's just gone through its ministry testing, so we're just waiting for the paperwork to come back to be uprated as 4.5 tonner, but it's just been for its 3.5 tonne MOT as well. So yeah, either give myself a call, Dave Elliott, or give Chris Newman a call at Equihunter Horse Boxers. That is a Peugeot Boxer 4.5 tonner, giving 1.8 payload. Nice little walk round there for you. Got another tool there going to paint. So yeah, feel free to either share this video or just give us a like. Thanks for looking, guys, and have a happy Christmas from all the guys here at West Yorkshire Horse Boxers and Equihunter. Take care and stay safe.